Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel College to Career. Today I am going to share a very important information about your way of working in the industry. We must understand graduation is not the end. This is the beginning of your impact which you are going to create in the industrial world or in the sector wherever you are going to work. Organizations are not just hiring degrees, they are hiring to drive ideas and the ability to grow. They want you to grow with the organization to create the impact in the real world. This presentation is about the empowering college pass out for industry success. How you are going to be a game changer from a graduate. This I will share with you today from my experience, what approach you are required in the industry, what is your role in the industry, and why you are there in the industry. First of all, we must understand what organization expect. Whenever somebody is hiring you, what is the ask behind you when you are appointed for any job in your career at any workplace. These are the common thing which I am able to share with you all. Number one, mindset over marks. Whatever marks you have taken in your graduation, those are required up to graduation, but after that your mindset matters a lot. You should have the adaptability, curiosity to learn, resilience, and moreover your GPA, whatever you have taken the grades, these things are more important, your mindset in the real world. Then ownership and initiatives. Everyone needs those people who can take responsibility and find solutions proactively. That approach you must adapt if you want to grow in the industrial sector or whichever field you want to work. You have to that ownership and initiatives. Next comes the teamwork and the communication. You must be a team leader or a good teammate. You will have to do both the roles. Somewhere you have to play as a team leader, and in some cases you have to play as a good teammate, as a good partner of that team. So collaborative effectively across team and culture, you need to do that in your role of upcoming life, or if you are already in the industry you can understand this is the demand. Then innovation and problem solving. Your fresh thinking to challenge old ways is always required. We should always challenge the old way of working and should think how we can create an impact, how we can change those regular problems, the ordinary way of working with a creative way, so that we can resolve the issues in the sector where we are working. And last one is professionalism and value. The most important thing is your integrity, your punctuality and respect, which build trust about you in the organization. You must respect your teammates, your superiors as well as your colleagues. So this is the basic expectation which are applicable. I think so from my experience, these are applicable in all the fields. Even you are going to be your own entrepreneur, you are going to open your own business, then also these things are important for you. How to prepare yourself? This is the ask, but how to prepare yourself about this? So for preparing yourself, you need to learn beyond your syllabus. The syllabus are there just to make your mind creative, but you need to expand yourself more than your syllabus. You should learn around what is required. I will talk about it in my upcoming slides. Then you need to build your soft skill, communication, leadership, and the most important thing which is lagging in most of the leaders, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means you should know how your talk, how your behavior is going to impact others, their emotions. So that is one of the big criteria for going to be a good leader. You must able to find out the way how to handle emotional intelligence. Then you should stay curious and humble. Whenever you are talking, whatever position you will attain in your future, you should always be humble and you should be curious to learn more, the new things. Time is changing very fast. So, if you will stay curious and humble, you are going to be ready to work in a bigger team in the industries. Then you should always seek mentor and feedback. Mentor is the person who tells you about yourself, where you need improvement, because without a feedback nothing can be corrected. So taking feedback in a positive manner, right from your teachers, right from today, if you will start, in upcoming future you are not going to suffer from the some of the activities which you should able to correct at this stage itself of your career. Last but not the least, be open to starting small and grow big. It is will never happen. You will get all the big things, big projects, everything big to you in your bucket. If it is a small activity, small task is assigned to you, start it. You should be open to do any kind of task. It should not be a matter that how qualified I am, why I should do it. You should be open, and if you will do small, definitely you are going to be a big in the future. So these are the basic steps which I will say you can prepare even in your present time. So one important thing, what is your role in industry? You must understand that, like if you are selected, you are getting a job in any organization, in any sector, what is your role in that organization? Number one, you should learn continuously there. If you are not learning, then you are not able to sustain in that work environment. You must take ownerships. If you take the ownership, you are going to prove yourself, like what talent you are having. You should have a collaborative approach. Innovation. Innovation is one of the key to prove yourself that you are the best. You must come up with the innovative ideas. Don't shy to speak. Your word is your identity. So don't shy to speak any idea. Don't think it is silly, I cannot say. Whatever in your mind, you must bring that out from your mind and put it on the table to discuss. This is the need of the industry. Then represent values. Each organization is having their own cultural core values. You must follow those values, what they teach you to respect others. If they want, you should be real, you should be work with a respectful nature, you should be soft, you should be humble, you should have the curiosity, as well as you should have that learning attitude that you will able to create changes in yourself based on the what values the industry need from you. You must have this type of approach. What is the role in industry? This is the role in industry. This all five elements are going to help you in the industry. Now the important thing, what do you think matter most in a successful project or operation? My question is very simple. What is the most important for successful project or maybe a successful operation, manufacturing and everything? In an industrial world, the things are different. So is it safety or it is a quality as important, cost, timely delivery or team morale? All these factors are the main factor which industry drive throughout their operations. But the truth is, all of them matter, and that exactly what SQCDM stands for. This is a approach. I will repeat it. SQCDM. S stands for safety, Q stands for quality, C for cost, D for delivery, M for morale. This five element is the key of your success inside the industry. If you are going to follow this, you are going to be the star of your organization. But you have to feel these factors from your heart and you have to work on this with the combination of heart and mind. So, why this SQM needed in the industry? I have told you industries are running on SQCDM, but why this SQCDM is required in the industry? We must understand in industry every day is a race for time, a race for cost and competition, which is there in the market for each and every brand. So, a single mistake can be expensive, delay can hurt our customer trust, unsafe practice can lead to serious consequences. That's why companies adopt SQCDM to monitor and improve performance across these five critical areas. Let me give you an example. In a manufacturing plant, safety metrics like PP compliance and incident rate are tracked daily basis. If someone is forget to wear goggles or helmet, it's a flagged immediately. You know why? Human is the biggest asset. Human life is very important. So whosoever is coming to work in industry with you, he should go back home safely. Same way in quality control, defect per batch are monitored or rejections are monitored, waste rework is monitored. Do you know why? First of all, if we are doing all these things, it can create a serious issue on the quality of our product, whatever we are manufacturing. Then, if defected product is purchased by the customer, he is going to be unhappy. We will lose his trust from our product. For cost, the most important thing companies track waste, energy uses, and various repair maintenance cost as well as employee cost, labor cost, different kind of cost is being monitored. You have to produce a good product in lower cost if you want to be competitive in the market. You means industry, and we all are the part of that industry. Delivery is also one of the most important point. Whether it's shipping a product or completing a project phase, everything needs to be delivered on time. If it is not on time, it is waste, it is not required. Maybe the demand will be fulfilled by somebody else in the market if we are not giving on time delivery. Finally, the morale, that's the heartbeat of the team. All these four things can be achieved if our team is happy, they are motivated employees, because a motivated employee is always perform better and he becomes more innovative when he is getting a good working culture, when he is happy the way he is working in the organization. So this is the one basic which I want to share with you, why this SQCDM approach is required in the industries to monitor their operations. Next point is, why should you learn SQCDM as you are a student? If you are a student, do you need to learn this? Yes, my dear. If you are a student, even you need to learn it because you have to apply it in your upcoming future. Where are you are going to work? You might be wondering, you are in the college, why should I care about this, right? So here is the way where I would try to explain you that SQCDM is not just for factories, it's for the future leaders, it's for the problem solvers, it's for you. Whether you are working on a group project, organizing a college fest, we all are having the college festivals, or preparing for a first job interview, the five pillars will help you Think like an engineer and act like a professional. Just imagine planning a college event. What is the first basic thing we always plan? Safety. Do you know why? Fire exit and crowd control. These two things are always taken care whenever we are doing a college festival. Then quality. What is the meaning of quality in your college exhibition? Smooth execution and audience satisfaction. If with the content which we are doing in the festival, the dance, the plays and the other activity, the songs, if the quality, the selection of songs and the selection of the performer is good, everybody enjoy, the audience enjoy the program. Next thing is cost. Every college gives you a budget. Like within this budget, this festival should be completed. So staying within budget is the important part. Then it comes to delivery. What is the delivery in the festival? Starting on time and ending all the event on time. If you are staying on time, you have delivered. Then morale. Morale is the way how you are keeping your team motivated, because you have to motivate your team to perform the various activities. So this is SQCDM action in college also. You can learn about it in college the way I have explained you, and you can create your approach towards SQCDM. So you must remember one thing, you are not just entering a company, you are entering a community of creators, builders, and leaders. You are the future leader. So show up with purpose and you will be amazed at the difference you can make. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay connected. If you want this type of video more from me, please put your text in my comment in my channel. If you need any other video, goodbye.